Hi Dress It Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a super easy ghost to celebrate Halloween. So let's get started. To draw this cute ghost, let's first start by drawing the ghost body shape. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a big curve. Nice and full. Let's see how wide we want to bring it. So about right here. Nice and full at the top. And now this big curve, I'm going to bring it down. Of course, you can make your ghost whatever shape you want. This is just meant to inspire you. So I'm going to bring this down. And this is going to keep going. And then we're just going to aim to draw a tail for our ghost. So let's bring this down a little bit more. And say about right here. Just going to curve it out. And just give it a little bit of a wiggle. And then thicken it all up and connect it. There. Just try and create this smooth shape. Sorry, and look at my camera and make sure I'm creating the smooth shape that I'm talking about. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and bring it to life. So I'm going to come about right here and I'm just going to go ahead and draw an oval. And come right across about right here and draw another oval. And I'll just go ahead and shade this all in. And same thing here. There, and we're pretty much done. Actually, well, if you want to give it a mouth, you can come right here and just put a little tiny oval. Ooh, right, it's saying boo. And then I'll just draw this little curve right here above each eye. And then let's see here. And then now let's write the speech bubble where it's saying boo. So I'm going to come right next to our ghost, about right here. Just draw this soften up little V that's at a slant. And then I'm going to go ahead and draw this big curve. And bring it in. There. And then we're going to write the word boo in here. So I'm going to come right here and start with my B. And I have two O's and an exclamation mark. So don't have too much room. So I'm just going to make these O's thinner and then an exclamation mark right here. And then, you know what, I'll put a heart right here. And thicken everything up. So there, a little bit fancier, right, with our boo. Now that everything is nice and thickened up. Since I have more room. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead. I'm just going to draw a soft curve right here around our speech bubble. So just kind of makes it look like it's actually saying, like, bringing it to life, I guess, the word boo. And that is it for this drawing. I said it was super easy, so hopefully it was. And I'm going to come in here real quick and just color it in for you. So as you can see, I came in here and whited out this orange part that I colored in because I thought as I was coloring, they might be pretty cute to make this part yellow, kind of like eyes, or like a pumpkin to enhance the whole Halloween theme. So hopefully this will work. Let's see. Maybe, right? Let me know in the comments below if you think that's better with the yellow, or I should have just colored it all orange. But that is pretty much it for this hopefully super easy drawing of a ghost to celebrate Halloween. I really hope I helped you draw this fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.